Thanks for joining McCormick in training video number 1, starting a job. When first logging into McCormick systems, you're going to come to the systems login screen. This is where you're going to put in your username and password. When you first start, the username is going to be admin and your password is going to be the same, capital A-D-M-I-N. You can of course customize this and add your own name and password. We'll do that at a later time. Also, if you want to, save password so you don't have to enter it again. Go ahead and hit OK and it'll bring us right to our job screen. This is the screen that we store all of our jobs. You will notice a template job here. Don't ever delete this job. It's very important. You will utilize it to start all jobs in the future. On top, you have different folders that you can store jobs in. Depending on which system you have, you can customize these folders. Let's go ahead and start a new job by hitting the New Job button. This brings us to our job details screen. This is where we put in all the information about the job. I'm going to go ahead and name the job McCormick Systems Training Job. The rest of the information is optional, but if you do fill it in, there are advantages. McCormick has automatic Microsoft Word proposals in the end that can grab this information. You do have a Notes tab if you want to add any job notes. If you purchase McCormick's On-Screen Estimating Pro, this last tab is where you add your drawings. Simply hit the Add Drawing button and grab whichever files you want to put on the job. We accept pretty much any file, PDF, JPEG, TIFF. Go ahead and grab whatever you'd like. Now you can preview the drawings. I'm going to go ahead and just hit Edit and select all of them. Go ahead and hit Import Selected and we are done. There's one more step to go, so after we've entered our drawings and our details, we're going to go ahead and close the Details window. This brings us to a very important part of starting a job, the utilization of the template job. It brings up 3 default checks. Now, if you haven't done so already, I would suggest using bid summaries as another default check. Click Default and it will allow you to save these checks for future use. There we have it. We have our 4 default checks that we're going to utilize every time to start a job. Go ahead and hit Paste from Template Job Plumbing and Mechanical and we are ready to go. Go ahead and hit OK. Our operation is complete and we have now started a job and finished step number 1, jobs. On to step number 2 now, labels. Thank you again for joining us. We'll see you in the next training video.